Titans, get ready for your weekend primer for Bitcoin. So let's discuss where Bitcoin stands on multiple timeframes at this time and what needs to happen for the weekly candle close this Sunday evening. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, because we got you covered here. Kevart, hit that intro. All right, looking at Bitcoin on the 12-hour time frame, after consolidating for nearly 2 weeks, we finally broke out of this symmetrical triangle pattern this past Tuesday. And the price target for this breakout is approximately 75.5K, which is calculated from measuring the height of the base of the triangle and carrying it over to the area where the breakout occurred. Now, since having this breakout, you can see that we are slowly making our way up to the target. Zooming in now to Bitcoin on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that another symmetrical triangle pattern has formed over the last few days now after having the breakout on the 12-hour symmetrical triangle. And looking closely here, we had a breakout earlier this morning, but after the May jobs report came out in the US with stronger than expected hiring growth, meaning that rate cuts may be delayed, we pulled back into the symmetrical triangle afterwards. But it appears that the market is attempting to shake off this news because Bitcoin is attempting to break out again now. Zooming back out now to Bitcoin on the daily time frame, we've been discussing this bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern since last week. And at this time, we've attempted to break out of this neckline at approximately 71.6K over the last 3 days now. And if we do break through this neckline here, our price target is about 91K, which is based on the height from the bottom of the head here up to the neckline, and then carrying that over to the top of the neckline. Now, I also want to point out here that the Bollinger Bands are extremely tight in this area, meaning that a breakout in one direction or another is imminent. And this is also reflected on the Bollinger Band width indicator below as well. And finally, switching over now to Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, the breakout on our bull flag pattern, which has a target of just over 100K, will remain intact as long as this weekly candle marked by this yellow arrow here closes above the flag channel. And when you look at the hash ribbons indicator, you can see we printed this gray capitulation signal. So the expectation now is to eventually print a blue buy signal, just as we discussed in our video earlier this week. And for reference, you can see that once we printed this blue buy signal here back in last August, Bitcoin eventually went up by about 200% over the course of about 8 months. Now, we may not see that same exact gain when we print the blue buy signal over here, but the real takeaway message is that I would expect to see the uptrend continue to at least our 106K price target for the bull flag. And also keep in mind that the stochastic RSI has finally entered back into the RSI channel, so we have plenty of room to go up before reaching overbought territory. Titans, we are your one-stop source for guiding you through this Bitcoin bull run. Please join us as we continue to provide the latest market and technical analysis that are going to give you that edge.